Welcome back guys to Xero accounting software tutorial. Today I want to show you how you can enter recurring invoices, repeating invoices. Like we got the repeating invoices or the recurring invoices are the one which have fixed amount, fixed quantity, and you don't need to create it every month. You just create it once and it will auto send it to the client every month or every week on the date you mentioned. So to do that, you come here, invoices. So when you come to invoices, you can also see new invoices and this drop down, and you will see here a new repeating invoices. Just click, and now repeat this transaction. Now you want to repeat it every month or week. We will do it monthly. The invoice date should always be the last date of the month. The due date should be 7 days, 7 days on the following month, or, or days after the invoice. You can select whatever you want. We will select 7 days on the following month, and end date. This is optional. We can leave those. And now this is the option you can select. You can just repeat the invoices and save as drop. Like every month the invoice will be created, but it will be set on a drop when you select this option. And you can approve it. It will be approved, but it will not be sent to a client. And then the third option is approve for sending. Like when you click this, the invoice will be auto created and auto send it to the invoice. You don't have to do anything. Now invoice to, let's see if you can find ambient one. We need to select it. Reference number should be March CON, and standard branding, special project standard, whatever you want to select. And here we will select just for the purpose. So again, this the quantity we need to increase to 10. Okay, so this is our invoice, and you just need to save it if you want to. Okay, I did not select any of thing. Sorry for that, and save. Now you need to specify an email here. Let's select anything. Swap the and swap 3 at Gmail. I don't know if it can be accepted, because this is just a fake email, not a. And you can also customize the subject and the message, and you can mark as sent, also send it to yourself. And now it will be right here when you created. But if you are on a dashboard, how can you access it? You can select this invoices out to you, and it will be paired repeating and see all, and you will select repeating. This is the repeating as. If you want to change it, you just select it and open it, make some changes, and then save it again. It will show the history, like on this it's created and on this it's edited. So that's it guys. That's how you can create a repeating invoice in Xero. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and comment down below what should I create next related to Xero. Thank you.